how to use Zinsser bin primer. So it says this is the ultimate stain blocking primer sealer for whole surface interior primer and exterior spot priming. It combines fast dry time, super adhesion, and extraordinary stain blocking power. It's perfect for new construction, remodeling, and fire and water damage restoration. Now, this is extremely potent. This isn't even enough. This is a N95 3M mask. You definitely want to have a proper respirator because this thing smells like alcohol, but it's super strong. 5 minutes, 10 minutes in a room like this, like a shower room like this, and then you're gonna start getting a headache. It dries super quickly. Any brush that you're gonna be using is gonna be garbage within 5 minutes. So I would say use some cheap disposable brushes so you don't waste a lot of money. You can also roll it on as well. It's a very liquid formula. It doesn't even feel like paint. You see that? It just drips. But when you apply it, paints pretty nicely, and within 2 minutes, it's going to dry. As if you have very difficult scuff marks, any stains on walls or baseboards that you cannot get rid of with multiple paints, then this is something you want to consider getting. Also, if you're painting cabinetry, for example, you want to put one coat of this before you put the paint on. And this would ensure that you have a perfect adhesion of the paint onto your surface. You don't even need to sand the item that you're going to be painting. So in our case, we needed to use a proper etching solution on this tile, but because of this paint, we don't need to, because it's going to essentially create a very strong bond between the paint and this primer. The other thing that we're painting is right over here at the baseboard. So this is a rental unit that we're in, by the way. So that baseboard gets tons of traffic and it always gets dirty. So we're actually just painting this because there are some giant scuff marks because it's on white and we're not able to cover it, even though we painted like 3 layers of white paint, their paint, which is a good paint. So anyways, we're going to use this primer and then going to go and repaint once again over it. And then within minutes, it's ready to paint. When I say minutes, I mean about 10 minutes. So again, this is the shellac base Zinsser bin primer. You definitely want to shake this can and stir it, but it's still going to be super liquidy. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your project.